if what you want is to think bad things about everything, then that's your business and you're entitled to it. Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Mr. got home yesterday. Nagtrabaho kasi siya guys kahapon. And then he got home last night. Actually, it was really I thought he's gonna be home like 1 o'clock. But you got here like 11, right? And now he requested scrambled egg with tomato. So habang nagko-coffee muna siya doon sa labas.
I don't have enough for both of these for going to.
Now just do the one first. And right now he is feeding his special childs. A lot of them outside. Hummingbirds. It's like he can't just... Because yesterday guys, when Tommy, wala siya dito. Nag-aaway yung hummingbird. They're fighting to eat. Because it was like hot. And they are like thirsty.
One right out. They need to finish the other one really quick because it...
Masarap yung scrambled egg guys with tomato eh. So yun guys, alis kami. Where's my car key? Okay. Kunin na namin yung sasakyan ni Tommy. Did you have your credit card? Ang laki ng bayaran mo dong. Ang laki kasi. Ang sira-sira yung sasakyan. Say good morning.
Morning guys. We're going to get my car.
You have the car key? I'll drive, huh? I won't get out the car. I'm gonna run the lawnmower and cut it here.
Hi guys, we're it's 10:30 in the morning. We're just going down to get my car. It was done yesterday, but I was in Manhattan, and by the time I got back, they were long closed. So we're going down now, pick up the car, and hopefully everything's good. And again, the car I was driving, it wasn't like there was a problem, but if I didn't fix it, the problem would become bigger. I could hear a problem, so take care of it because it becomes a really expensive problem. So that's what we did. And honestly, I just didn't feel like doing it myself. It's just too much effort in that one. So different times, different things.
But he did, you know, you did the hard work before with that. The brake.
I would have done it, but I need compression tools and stuff I don't have. I wouldn't go out and buy crap I'll never ever use again at this point. You know, if I was younger, yes, I'd use it again. But you know, at this point in my life, I'll never use it again. What's the point? I'd rather pay somebody else to just do it.
So he will drive with it, guys, and he will let us know if it's really fixed. Because the thing about the car, I like driving, but I'm worried about all I hear the noise. When you're, especially if you hit a bump, you know, bumpy road, it make noise.
It's the struts and the bushings, guys. The car gets old. It's got more movement than it's supposed to have, and you're gonna hear little clunky noises. That's what it is.
And it's a nice car to drive. It's a nice car, and I like the car.
It wasn't metal on metal. You can tell the difference when it's metal banging metal, and that's when it's destroying the parts of the car. So it was just, you know, worn out parts that were gonna go bad and make things much worse.
Malapit lang dito sa bahay. It's very close from here. Maybe like 6 minutes away. Not a long drive. And to the people that said that why I borrow Tommy's car and he doesn't let me, guys, that time that was he want to use my car and he changed his mind and he have to drive far away to the city. So I said, I'm gonna use your car, you use my car. I have my own car, guys, look. He has his own.
It's much newer and better shape than my car.
And it doesn't mean I borrow his car and I don't have a car. My husband doesn't let me use a car. I have my own car. So the basher out there, he's a good husband, good provider. I have my own car, he has his own. And he's more worried about me than he worried about himself. And And that's the
this,
truth.
This car has more safety things in it.
Yeah, and that's the
My
time
car
that
has no safety things in it.
yeah. Well, your car is safe, hon.
I know, but it's got no safety electronics. Like this thing will, you know, it'll help cover for you if something jumps in front of you and you don't realize it quick enough.
Yeah.
The car will stop even if you don't realize it quick enough. My car won't do that, things like that.
Anyway, so that's really it. So I don't really comment back to the people, guys. Kasi what's the point? They don't really know my life. They just saw 30 seconds of the video and
I used to drive my car all the time, but now the car is getting a little iffy. So yeah, I feel more comfortable if I'm in it than if you're in it. Because if something goes wrong, what are you gonna do? You're gonna be stuck. For me, if something goes wrong, I kind of expect something to go wrong.
well,
I'll find a way around it.
yeah, so I'm worried about him. He's worried about me. That's life. That's married. We love each other. So many bashers right now. It's just
People
like
are entitled to think what they want. You know, if what you want is to think bad things about everything, then that's your business and you're entitled to it. Unfortunately, makes for a sad life for you because you look at everything in a dark light. You know, ideally, your life would be much happier if you see good things. As you know, everybody sees bad things. There are lots of bad things around us. But if you stop seeing good things and only see bad things, your life becomes not good.
yeah, bashers out there, your life is not good if you think everything is bad. And every Filipina married an older guy, it's a gold digger and just after the money. Well, maybe that's what you want. That's what you've been thinking. Guys, ando na si Tami sa sasakyan niya and iniwan ko na siya kasi sabi pa niya nando na sa kanya yung susi ng sasakyan niya. So, yan. Susunod yun. So, fully umandar yun. Ang mahal ng bayad, guys. 1,500. Magkano yun sa Pinas? Ganyan talaga, no? Basta sasakyan, no? Sabi ko sa kanya, bakit hindi mo na lang yan i-let go? Yung parang ibinta, and then yung ang nabinta, ang magkano yung presyo niyan, dagdagan para ibili ng sasakyan, second hand or bago. It's up to him. So, yun. Anyway, so let's go, guys. And how was? Yeah.
I know, I locked it, and I went to unlock it.
How's the drive?
No clunking, no nothing. No.
No noise? Like they used to? Okay, hi guys! So ngayon guys, andito tayo sa sasakyan ni Mister kasi nga kinuha na niya kanina. So ngayon, hindi ako maka-open. So ngayon sabi ko, i-test drive ko kung talagang hindi na siya magulo i-drive, okay na siya i-drive. Kasi gustong-gusto ko itong sasakyan niya talaga. Sabi ko, ako na lang gagamit. I mean, yung sasakyan ko kasi bago. Bago yun, di ba? Maganda yung sasakyan ko guys gamitin kasi, you know, maliit. Pero ito, gustong-gusto ko din gamitin. Mas gusto din ni Tami yung sasakyan ko. Gusto din niya ito. Pero, you know, alam mo, ito yung sasakyan na talagang dinadrive ko noon. Oh, maganda na siya. Even sa, yung sasakyan ko kasi guys is yan, oh. Look, yun yung sasakyan ko at yun yung isang sasakyan namin. So, and then itong dinadrive ko kasi, this is his car. And his car is very hot in here. Can we turn the AC?
Yeah.
Do you know where we're going?
Oh, you're just gonna drive it because you want to see what it feels like.
Yeah. There is a thing over there. Nice house, han? Hello guys! Nakauwi na pala kami guys. Okay naman pala yung sasakyan ni Tami. Dinadrive ko siya. Wala naman, parang wala na akong naririnig na sobrang ingay kapag nagdadrive. Kaya nga pinaayos yun kasi dahil nga sa ingay. Parang nakakatakot i-drive ba. So nakauwi na kami. Salamat guys sa panunood. At naglilinis lang ako dito kasi sobrang dumi na yung kitchen ko. At habang wala si Mr. pumunta na naman sa kapitbahay kasi nga yung kapitbahay kailangan bantayan daw yung pusa nila kasi aalis muna sila. So, yun, andun si Mr. na kapitbahay na naman. Anyway, thank you so much guys. Kita-kits tayo next time. Bye!